Hi, I'm Kat Berry with the Modern Living team at Compass. I'm here in Logan Square at the condo of my client, Tena. She purchased this unit just 3 months ago and immediately set to work renovating it. She has generously agreed to give us a tour, so come on in.
I am Tena and I am in my condo in Logan Square that I worked with Kat Berry to find. Well, when I moved in, me and Ulysses the dog. Really buying this place was dependent on me doing quite a few things. There used to be a fireplace that it looked like it could have turned into the fireplace in Beetlejuice. It changed the whole shape of the room, ripping it out. I had a couple friends come over, some sawzalls and some sledgehammers, and just destroyed it. I recommend it. Rip out a fireplace. It's fun. But really wanted to make the focal point of the room the sunroom, so found some amazing wallpaper and really had every kind of exposed portion of it wallpapered. Found a great chandelier, put a table in it, and now it's a jungle room. The kitchen area actually had a bunch of upper cabinets, really just looked unfinished. We kind of looked at it and redesigned the shape of it. It was originally horizontally and then flipped the island so that it kind of went with the same shape of the room. Did the counter to ceiling tile, kind of make it look very even, and then did the open shelving. And the second bedroom is one of your pretty common Chicago second bedrooms where it's really small and oftentimes you don't know what you're going to do with it. Kind of really had an idea of just making it kind of super extra. So put in some pretty wild wallpaper, did a chair rail to kind of separate it and create a little bit of definition. Clock that I had found at a thrift store in Chinatown. So now it kind of has this great focal point in the sense that you can sit in this room and it has actually something going on. The back bedroom has this nice little seating area, which has just basically become a place for my dog to live because it gets a ton of sun in the morning. I'm not an interior designer, but I play one on TV. And for the most part, everything is pretty done. The thing was, I loved my old place. It was great. I had been there for 8 years. It was just time to move on. This is the first time I was doing a buy-sell. Kat has great experience selling and living in the Logan Square neighborhood. She just priced it so well. She really did a great job of promoting it and advertising it. Plus it's nice to work with someone that you get along with, to walk away with the best deal and feel like you're making the best, really big and important decision of your life. And fun, too.